Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to discuss about the union of two topologies. So in this video you will learn what we will get if we take the union of two topologies and a counter example about the union of two topologies. So here if we take the union of two topologies, then this union needs not to be a topology on X. Like we have to show that whenever we take the union of two topologies, then it's not necessary that the union is also a topology on X. Like we have many cases in which this condition holds and many cases in which this condition doesn't hold. So we have to show that this condition doesn't generally hold. Okay. So as this condition doesn't generally hold, so we will take a counter example in which this condition don't hold. Okay. So here let X to be a space and it contains three elements 1, 2 and 3, and we will take a two topologies tar1 and tar2. tar1 contains X, phi and 1, 2, and tar2 contains X, phi and 1, 3. These both are topologies on X, and we take the union of these two topologies, we will get X, phi 1, 2 and 1, 3, as X and phi both are common in tar1 and tar2, so we don't need to take them twice. Okay, so here is the topology union of two topologies tar1 and tar2. So we need to check that tar1 union tar2 is a topology or not. So we will apply three axioms of topological spaces, and we will check whether these axioms are satisfied or not. If these axioms would be satisfied, then we will say that tar1 union tar2 is a topology. Otherwise, if these axioms are not satisfied, we will say that tar1 union tar2 is not a topology on X. So first of all, let's see first axiom. Phi and X belongs to tar1 union tar2 here. Phi and X both belongs to tar1 union tar2. It means that first axiom is satisfied. Now move towards second axiom. If we take the union of 1, 2 and 1, 3, we will get 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3 is equal to X. X set is itself, and X, we know that X belongs to tar1 union tar2. So second axiom is also satisfied. Here we don't need to check X and phi, because we know that whenever we take X or phi, union of X and phi with other set are with themselves, then we know that whatever we will get like the set itself or phi or X and so on. So we don't need to check them. Okay, now move toward the third axiom. We take the intersection of 1, 2 and 1, 3. We will get singleton 1, and we know that singleton 1 doesn't belong to tar1 union tar2 here. Singleton 1 is not contained in this set. So it means that third axiom is not satisfied. So as third axiom is not satisfied, then tar1 union tar2 will not be a topology on X. And so we have taken the counter example in which we have taken two topologies and their union is not a topology on X. But there are many examples in which if we take two topologies, then their union is also a topology, but this condition don't hold generally. So we will say that union of two topologies need not to be a topology on X. Okay, that's all about our today's lecture. Good luck and Allah Hafiz.